Hello everyone, this is Sharda and you're watching the Gani Sisters. Today I'll be continuing with the division of rational numbers. So before starting it, if you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and click on bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. So let me start. So this is the first example I've taken, that is 16 by a rational number. Next one, minus 3 by 4 by minus 9, a rational number by an integer. Next is minus 3 by 13 by minus 4 by 65. Now both are rational numbers here. So I have taken three different type of problems. So let me explain one by one. So the first one, 16 divide by, so keep the division symbol, that is minus 4 by 5. 16 divided by minus 4 by 5. Now whenever it is division in rational number or in a fraction, you need to find out the reciprocal of the second, that is number, that is divisor. So 16 and this division symbol is replaced by a multiply symbol and you need to find out the reciprocal of it. So reciprocal of it is 5 by minus 4. Now if there is a possibility to cancel, 4 ones, 4 fours. So this is nothing but 5 fours is 20 and in denominator you have minus 1. So this is nothing but minus 20. Yes, so let me explain the next one. Minus 3 by 4 by minus 9. So this can be represented by using a symbol, division symbol, that is minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 9. So now as I told you, the second number reciprocal you have to do, that is divisors reciprocal we need to write. So this is minus 9 by 1 I can write. So this minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 9 by 1 is equal to. Now as I told you, division symbol is replaced by using a multiply symbol and here minus 9 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by minus 9. Now do simplify this. Now minus 3, minus gets cancelled, 3 ones, 3 threes. So here 1 ones is 1. 4 threes is 12. Next one, minus 3 by 13 by minus 4 by 65. Same. Now let me write this by using a division symbol. Minus 3 by 13 divided by minus 4 by 65. So minus 3 by 13 divided by minus 4 by 65, that is equal to. Now this division symbol should be replaced by multiplication symbol. So reciprocal of this is 65 by minus 4. Now 13 ones, 13 fives. So now multiply these, 3 fives is 15 and you have a minus sign, so write minus sign by, and here 4 ones is 4 and you have a minus sign. Now here both numbers have minus sign, so we can just cancel them and write it as 15 by 4. Now either it is a whole number or an integer or a rational number, the process is same. When it is division, you have to find out the divisors reciprocal and then multiply them. Now when it is multiply, you have to simplify them into smallest terms and write out. So let me explain the next one. Now this is the next problem I have taken. The cost of 7 2 by 3 meter rope is 12 3 by 4. Find the cost of per meter. So you have to find out the cost of 1 meter. Now cost of 72 by 3 meter is 12 3 by 4. You have to find out cost of 1 meter. Now whenever you have to find out a single meter or single item cost, you need to do the division. So here example, let me show. 723 meters is 1234. So what 1234 rupees. So what is the cost of single meter? Now here what you have to do is you have to do cross multiplication. That is, it becomes 12 3 by 4 divided 1 into this 1 meter. 1 into 12 3 by 4 divided by 7 2 by 3. Now instead of this, we can directly divide directly. So here cost of 1 meter is 1233 by 4 rupees divided by 7 2 by 3 meters. So that is nothing but, so now let me write this, 12 3 by 4 divided by 7 2 by 3. Now here these both are in mixed fraction. These both are in mixed fraction. We need to convert into improper. So that is nothing but 12 4 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. 51 by 4 divided by 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23 by 3. Now because it is a division, you should find out the reciprocal of the divisor. So that is 51 by 4. After finding reciprocal, we can change the symbol of division to multiplication. So reciprocal of 23 by 3 is 3 by 23. Now check whether you have a cancellation, whether you can simplify it into simpler terms, that is lowest terms. Now there is no possibility of cancellation, so directly you can multiply. So 3 1s is 3, 3 5s is 15, so that is 153 by, now 4 into 23, so 4 3s is 12, 4 2s 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 92. Now here you can see that there is an improper fraction. You need to convert into mixed fraction. To convert, you have to divide. Now this is an improper fraction. This can be converted into mixed fraction by dividing. So this is nothing but 161 by 92 rupees. Now we are finding out the cost of per meter. So this is the cost. So therefore cost of a meter rope is 161 by 92 rupees. Yes, hope you have understood. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.